No,
You know.
you do not have to be logged into TradingView. We're using TradingView charts, but I don't think it actually associates directly with TradingView. Right. So if you have like
Oh,
stuff inside TradingView, I don't know if it like works together that way or not. I'm not sure. Um, I've on and off paid for TradingView, but I don't think that there's any kind of association like that, right? But it does have all their tools, right? Okay, cool. Right. Any other questions or
what about with Polygon? You have to be signed in for Polygon, or just as long as you have the API key
as long as you have the
installed.
key, you're fine. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, we talked about the backtesting chart view. We talked about there's metrics at the top, the account value, cash, trades. Now we also have indicators. All right, is there anything else you guys would like to see on this page that might be missing? So for example, if we want to make a bot, we kind of already did that. All right, so let's go back here. We'll hit new strategy, okay? And if we want to make a bot from scratch, basically we would either type in what we want to do here. You could type in, I want a bot that does blah, blah, blah. You can click on one of our examples here, right? Or, for example, here, I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to hit generate. And that's basically how it works. It's going to take, 30 seconds, a minute or two to basically get this thing done. And then you'll be able to see the code and you'll be able to backtest it and all that kind of stuff. You could backtest inside of Replit if you wanted to. I'm not going to go through it right now because it's going to take way too much time to go through this. But if you want to backtest in Replit, you want to make sure you make an account in Replit, create a new Python project. This is very similar to how you deploy a bot as of right now. Copy your code to main.py, set the secrets, right? So specifically you want to set is backtesting to true inside of your secrets. Okay, and then run the strategy and then you wait until it actually runs the backtest and all that kind of stuff, right? If you want to run it in VS Code, is how you do it. You'd install VS Code, you install Python if it's not already installed. You'd install Lumibot, and this is how you do it inside your terminal. You'd open a folder, make a new Python file in that folder, make a .env file in there, right? And set backtesting equals true. And there we go. You have a strategy backtesting, right? Cool. Word of caution, if you're not someone who wants to get really deep into development stuff, I would probably stay away from this. The back tester normally works very well on our website. Has a lot of really good benefits for it as well because you get the trading view charts and all that kind of stuff. So there are a lot of benefits to doing the back test directly through our website.